Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial, and this is the final part of these three little mini sections within my HTML series. And what I'm going to be doing now is showing you how we can make a clickable image. So in the first two sections of this, I showed you guys how to first of all input an image onto your website, and then the second part is making a hyperlink which makes a piece of text clickable, as you can see here. And now we're going to kind of put them together so that way you can click a picture and the picture will take you to a different website. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let me find the image quickly. It's online. Here we go. Now, as you can see here, I've got this Wix website and I've got a piece of wood chipboard loft panels pack 3. Great. Now, I want to make a website, and on this website I want this picture to be there, so that way I can click the image and it will take me to the website, so this particular website on this page, and it will say that it's £7.99. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to right click on this and I want to copy the image URL, and what that's going to do is I'm going to first of all make my image source. I'm going to say img src is equal to. Okay, so as you can remember, I made the image source here, so if I were to open up my hello.html, let me just move this back to the original page. Here we go. So now I've got this image here, which I've directly taken from the website. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a hyperlink which will enable me to click the picture, which will take me directly to this website here. In order to do that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to have a hyperlink reference and then close the tags with the image source encapsulated within it. So I'm going to say a href beforehand is equal to, and I'm going to click on the image URL, on the website's URL to the particular page. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and as you can see here, I've now got a hyperlink and I've now got the image source, and at the end of it I need to close my hyperlink tag. So the entire picture is encapsulated within the actual picture. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, or in fact I can put this all onto one line itself. So Command S or Control S. And now you can see that this is the original page where nothing is clickable, and then on the next one, it's the same picture, but as you can see the cursor button is changed, and you can see like the little hand, which means you can click it. So as soon as I click this image now, it's going to take me straight to the website that I want, which means I've now got a working clickable image. And you know, finally, to make this just that little bit better, I will add in the target is equal to underscore blank in inverted commas, blank. Is that how you spell blank? Yeah. And save that. So this little snippet of code here will take my hyperlink initially. So the hyperlink must come first. So the entire hyperlink is www.wix.co.uk, whatever, and I want to make sure that it opens up in a new tab. So I say target is equal to, in inverted commas, underscore blank. Then after that, I make my image source, so I create my image source and I say this is where I'm getting it from. I could get it from an online source, which I've done here, or I could have got it from my local desktop, as if you remember from the first video that I made in this little 3-part series, that it's going to be, you need to find the direct path to find the actual image, and remember to close it in a special way, as in / closing angular brackets, because it's one of these special exceptions, and then to encapsulate the whole image source within the hyperlink, you have to close it off with the / a, because you've opened up a tag there, therefore it must be closed. So when I save it and open up hello.html, I can now click this link. So let me just go ahead and close these two tabs. I can click this picture, and in a new tab, you've got all the information that you wanted. Okay, and if you look here, the initial picture is still there, and it means I can open up a million of these if I wanted to. It doesn't make a difference because my initial picture will never change. Okay, so if you have any questions about this little 3-part mini-series, then do let me know. Other than that, you can leave me a message down below or drop me a message on my website, carlsapti.com. And otherwise, I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.